They were from that part of Mangalore. Kakanadi.
Kankaradi.
Yes, yes.
He was the
He and Father Mullah, they together
yeah.
made that hospital. He Maninal.
ಇದೇ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ.
They Maninal. Person I knew called Peter Calasso.
He also
We were classmates.
a classmate. ನಾನೀಗ ಪಾಲ್ ಫರ್ನಾಂಡಿಸ್ ಅವರ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಪಾಲಜಿ ಎಂಬುದು ಇವರ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿಯ ಹೆಸರು. ಅಪಾಲಜಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಷಮೆ.
Apology Gallery.
ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿ.
ಹೌದು.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮೂಲತಃ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೂಲದವರು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು. ಸೌತ್ ಕೆನರಾ ಬೇಸ್.
ಹೌದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ನಾವು ಮದರ್ ಟಂಗ್ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ.
ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಕ್ಯಾಥಲಿಕ್.
from Bangalore.
ಹೌದು. ಯಾವ ಊರು ನಿಮ್ದು? ಅದು ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಫಲ್ನೀರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
ಪಳ್ನೀರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ.
ಮೆಲಾಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಚರ್ಚ್
ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು.
ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ
MBBS ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್.
MBBS
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸರ್ ಅವರು? ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಹೌದು.
ಯಾವ?
ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ವಾರ್. And he fought the world war. And then he went to Africa.
Okay.
And again, after the war finished, he came back to India and settled down in Bangalore.
Okay.
1947.
1947. So he because he was studying, he could not fought for the country, I think.
No, he lived in England. So he became part of the British Army.
British Army.
Yes.
He is a military doctor.
He was a military doctor. Yes.
Yeah.
He was a colonel in the army.
He was born in Palnir.
Born in Palnir in 1908.
1908.
Yes.
Their forefathers, you don't know.
Yes. His father was also a doctor.
Okay.
And they were from that part of Mangalore.
Okay. Specialization in which subjects are there? Medicine, general medicine, or
he was a GP, general practitioner.
Your mother?
My mother was his neighbor in Bangalore, and they got married.
There's a love marriage?
Oh yes.
Yeah. What she is?
She was a housewife, and she looked after 10 children.
Yeah. I heard ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 9 ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ? 10 ಡಜನ್.
One brother passed away.
Pass. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಅವರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
Here?
In your 10th children ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
I'm number 4.
Number 4. 4. ನೀವು born in Bangalore.
Now born in Bangalore. ಈ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇದೇ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ.
1958.
ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗಿನ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
My father was a doctor, but I started drawing very early. And I started drawing pictures of,
Hindi teacher, you told Hindi teacher.
Yes. I drawn a picture of the teacher, and he did not like it. So.
ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಇದು?
ಅದು 7th standard. 8th standard.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತದ್ ನೀವು?
St. Joseph's Boys School.
ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಸಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ರಂಗ, ಬಿ ವಿ ರಾಮಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಮಾರಿಯೋ ಮಿರಾಂಡಾ, ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೂನಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರಿಯೋ ಮಿರಾಂಡಾ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಆಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾರಿಯೋ ಮಿರಾಂಡಾರ ಪರಿಚಯ, ಅವರ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ
ಮೊದಲೇ
ಆಫ್ಟರ್. At that time I didn't know. Did not know.
First time ಅವರ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು?
Bombay ನಲ್ಲಿ. He used to be in many magazines.
Yeah.
He was a regular
Illustrated Weekly.
Illustrated Weekly. There was another few magazines called Blitz.
Blitz alidra.
Many magazines. But he was the greatest cartoonist of
Mario.
Yes.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ 4. ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್?
No doctors. All became different. Some are teachers, some are musicians. I'm an artist. Some are designers of textiles and clothes.
Okay.
Yeah, everyone's branched out differently.
ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರು ನೀವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಪ್ರೆಷರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು ಮನೆ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ?
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಂಕಣಿ.
Now you are speaking in
English, Hindi.
Your wife is from Gujarat, Mumbai.
Bombay.
She knows whether she knows Konkani?
Little bit. Only when I'm speaking quietly.
Okay. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಂದಿ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗೇನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ?
ಅದು ಹಿಂದಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. So I went to, that's why I couldn't go to study medicine. And therefore I went to do art.
Okay. That is the 7th standard you Hindi teacher. Whether you can recollect what she is now by
he.
Can you recollect whatever in roughly? Whether you can draw now? No, possible. What he told when you draw?
The people in the class, my classmates, enjoyed the drawing because they all saw it and they laughed but he didn't find it funny.
Okay. After ನೀವು ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10th ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಬರೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರಿ.
ಹೌದು.
ಅದು ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? Who has
supported me? My parents. And there was a wonderful person I knew called Peter Kalaso.
Peter Kalaso is an advertisement guru here.
Yes.
Peter Kalaso.
Yes. So he suggested that I go and study art.
I think he is also basically from Mangalore side.
He's also from Mangalore. His parents and my parents, they knew each other in those days.
I have done on the advertising course. At that time, he has come for some guest lecture.
He was a wonderful man. And a great teacher.
Great teacher. ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
There is, but I decided to go to Bombay first. But I didn't manage to get into JJ school. Then I went to Baroda.
ಈಗ JJ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲೇ RK ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣರು ಸಹ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು?
Because Karnataka has a college. So they told me you have to study in Karnataka. You cannot come to another state. Those were the rules of those days.
But Baroda
was okay.
You know Tulu also a little bit?
No. Very little.
Okay, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ
You're Tulu? You know Tulu?
Yeah, Tulu. I am from Mangalore.
Yeah.
Suratkal, near Hosabettu. Hosabettu is a village. Hosabettu is the name of village.
Near Suratkal.
18 kilometers from
near Ullal Beach.
Yeah, Ullal Beach. Yeah. ನೀವೊಂದು ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ಕು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್. ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್? ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. Okay.
Some relatives maybe.
ವೆದರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಈಗ ಪಳ್ಳೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಇದೆ ಈಗಲೂ?
Sorry?
Whether your ancestor's house is in Mangalore?
It used to be, not anymore. It's all gone down. Building has stopped.
You have sold this.
My grandfather sold.
Yeah.
Not me.
Their grandfather, your father's father, that grandfather, he is also from Palnir. He is also doctor.
He was a doctor, yes.
Where he studied?
He studied in, there's a Madras presidency.
Yeah.
He did all his medicine here. And he was the one who founded the Father Mullah Hospital in Mangalore.
Oh, Kankanadi.
Kankanadi. Yes.
He was the...
He and Father Mullah, they together made that hospital.
Oh, Kankanadi Hospital belongs to...
Not belongs to, but they were the main people.
Father Mullah is from Germany, I think.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yes.
Father Mullah. Now, your father also worked in Kankanadi, no?
No. He studied in England. He worked in England. Then came here and settled down in Bangalore.
ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಯುವಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಿದ್ರ?
ಹೌದು.
ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ
Every year we holiday in Bangalore.
Now you are born in 1958. You are 66. Peter Kalaka, how old is he?
Today Peter will be 80.
80.
He was 13 or 14 years older than me.
Yeah. He is there in when how many years back?
Maybe 10, 12 years now.
ನೀವು ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ ಮಾರಿಯೋ ಮಿರಾಂಡಸ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲೇ ಕಲ್ತಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬಿ ವಿ ರಾಮಮೂರ್ತಿ?
I've only heard the name, but didn't know.
Ranga, that's he also studied in Saint Joseph. Similarly, there is some college, Saint Aloysius. There, Ponnappa, Prakash Shetty, Harini.
Right.
Some people have studied.
Ponnappa studied there.
Ponnappa studied. Now, Baroda, you have gone there and you have become a masters in painting, or
I did applied arts, which is commercial art.
Commercial.
And that's a 5-year course. And I did that.
Then where you got your wife also?
There also.
Yes. She also
We were classmates.
a classmate, and she Renu. You have a child called one child.
I have 2 boys.
2 boys.
Both, one is here, also an artist,
Artist.
and he works with me.
Okay. Another one?
Second boy is a clothes designer. He's making those shirts.
Shirts. Okay. He's a designer.
He's a clothes
Clothes
manufacturer.
Where he studied? He studied in
He also studied in Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Then he studied his economics in England
England.
and came back.
Okay. You ಇದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರು?
Once or twice I've been there.
Your father was Indian citizen or England?
Indian.
Your forefather?
All Indian from Bangalore.
Bangalore. Oh, you speak Konkani Roman Catholic. Okay. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ ತ್ರಿಕಾಯ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ರ?
Yes, I went to Bombay after college and worked in Trikaya for 3-4 years. And Bombay was a wonderful place. But I decided to come back here.
How many years ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
In Bombay?
Bombay.
4 years.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ?
Yes, I started a small design company, working for people who are interested in, interesting illustration in their work. And that was what we sold for them.
Okay. Now you are living by this advertising as well as
No, only drawing and painting.
Painting. You are selling all this.
Selling all these things.
All over world, you have a market. How you? What is your advice? Your first son is studied in art in which college, sir?
He didn't study art. Both of them studied. My first son studied economics again in America. But he also came back. And suddenly he started drawing and painting because of he used to work with me. And now he's doing his own work.
Artwork.
Artwork.
Where is same studio?
Yeah, we work in our house.
Yeah.
He has his own space. I have my own space.
ಯುವರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೌಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Funds Meadows, Kotonou.
ಕೊತ್ತನೂರದಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಬರ್ತೀರಿ. He is also married. How old he is?
He's not married, but he's now 34.
34. Another one?
He's just got married. He's 33.
He is second one. First one is economics. You're told.
I do both.
All economics, finance,
and now they've become artists.
Economics.
Economics to art.
Why? How they got interested in economics?
I think the school life, was geared to think that a lot of people went.
He also studied in St. Joseph.
Yeah, the second boy did. First boy studied in Aditi. Another one.
Both are the artists.
One is an artist, second one is a designer of clothes.
But it connect that designer clothes you will make.
Yes. I'm sorry.
Okay. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಹೂ ಟಾಟ್ ಯು ದ ಬೈಸ್ಲಿಕ್?
When we were young, everyone was a bicycle.
Bicycles.
Everyone rode a cycle. And that was the best way to go about. We went to school and came back on the cycle. That was the way of life.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದು ಮಾರಿಯೋ ಮಿರಾಂಡಾರ್ದು ಫೋಕಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರಿಯೋವರನ್ನು ಮೀಟೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಮೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್?
I've just met him casually, never formally, but he was always someone we looked forward up to. His work was.
You have gone to Goa, his house?
I've gone not to his house, but he's got a gallery in Goa. I've been there.
What he told your work?
Oh, I've learned a lot from looking at his work.
He has strongly influenced by himself told Ronald Searle. He copied his work and
Ronald
Searle, England, and he has a strong influence.
Oh yes. Yes. So all these people were commenting on social life in Bombay, in Goa. So, and my work talks about it in Bangalore.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಬರೋಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಕಲ್ತದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ವರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ?
Oh yes, the study of commercial art is very helpful when it comes to planning and designing your own. Even working on a painting, it's very helpful to have those skills.
ದಿಸ್ ತ್ರಿಕಾಯ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ತ್ರಿಕಾಯ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ?
Oh yes.
Which one? Whether you have that same?
Well, maybe the smaller advertisements. I don't have any samples, but we used to use illustration in advertising.
That at that time there was not digital hoardings. Whether you made any big hoardings?
Oh yes.
You itself draw now?
No. But it was all
size,
and it was enlarged by professional painters.
ನೀವು ಸೈಂಟ್ ಜೋಸಫಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನ್ ಆದದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಏನಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ.
In those days, it wasn't a subject that you could go and study, in school. After that, I went to college and I was lucky to find.
After PUC, SLC itself, you gone to Baroda?
Yes.
5 years you worked and you are working. You are now also doing advertising part?
No.
You are working mainly
with drawing and painting for subjects that I care for.
Okay.
And there's plenty of work to do.
Plenty of. your second son is in this line. Your son's first son, what is the name of first son name?
Tarun.
Second one?
Rag.
Rag.
As in song.
So Rag.
Raga.
Rag. Your mother, your wife is from which bought and in Baroda,
Yes.
from Mumbai.
She's from Mumbai. She's a Sindhi, and she came to study art in Baroda, and that's where we met.
Same classmate,
1 year junior.
1 year junior. Who was your influenced teachers in Baroda?
Oh, all the classmates were the influence.
Influence.
Because each one was studying a different, subject.
Yeah.
So, but we all talked about each other's work
Yeah.
and learned so much from each other.
Oh.
So the teachers too were very wonderful people because they allowed all this to happen easily.
Yeah.
They supported great conversations.
Yeah. Okay. At that time, your father was practicing in Indian Railway, not military.
Yes.
No.
After that, this was his clinic. He started the clinic. It was here.
Okay.
This house.
Okay. He has not drawn anything.
No.
Your mother is there here now?
No. She also passed away.
How many years back?
10.
10 years. 10. Your one elder brother is not there. All 9 are there.
All 9 are there.
You have only girls, no boys?
7 sisters, 2 brothers.
Sisters.
7.
7 sisters. Where are they in Bangalore?
They're all over the world.
All around. You have traveled extensively.
Yes.